PMO is a big support for, so in Y Pharmaceutical, we manage, so PMO manages centralized base where they manage a different kind of project, internal or external. War room is the new techniques we use. War room is, sometime, let's say one company does not have a PMO, but they have many projects, right? Let's say 10 projects going on. Whenever executive need any up-to-date information about the project, what they need to do? They need to talk to the portfolio project manager, program manager, and asking where are we standing, send me these reports. Project 1 information, this wall project 2 information, this wall project 3 information, let's say, and this wall, let's say project 4 information. We have 4 projects going on. This is the door, meeting table and everything, right? So, and then